The right-of-way is the area surrounding our lines or our poles or other structures we may have in place. So what we'll do is any vegetation or vines, whether it's trees, bushes, whatever it may be, is we maintain that through either spraying, mowing, or trimming to keep the vegetation away from the lines and structures to provide the safest, most reliable power. So we have our whole system divided into 3 quadrants, a northernmost, a center, and a southern. And we will start on the southern section. We'll spray that southern third 1 year, and then the following year we'll move to the center. Then the year after that we'll go to the northern, and then we'll start back over at the southern. It works out well partnering it with our trimming cycle. So we normally spray 1 year ahead of wherever we trim. So if we're spraying the center quadrant, that means we'll be trimming on the southernmost. And it just gets rid of a lot of helps us get ahead of this program and take care of some of the younger growth before it becomes more of a bigger issue. So a big thing for why we do the spray program and it's so vital is there's only 4 of us on the right-of-way crew. So that's a lot of lines throughout our whole system to maintain for just 4 people. So doing the spray helps us to kind of get ahead of the issues before they actually arise. We're able to do more preventative care before we have to do more aggressive measures. So we start spraying normally the first week of June, and we'll do our roadside spraying underneath the lines throughout June and maybe the beginning of July depending on the weather. And then after that we'll start spraying the substations with the bare ground spray just to keep vegetation out of them. Yeah, I think one of the misconceptions some people might have is we enjoy just going out and either hacking away at trees or spraying stuff and just going crazy on it. We live in the territory, we have houses on the lines and properties, and we don't want to destroy anybody's property. We try and treat everything how we would if it was ours. It's just there's a certain point where we have to trim stuff and we have to spray it in order to have the reliable, safe power.